Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's make nutritious food. Today we will prepare yet another healthy and simple recipe, that is boiled corn chaat. Now let us see the ingredients first. Chopped onions and chilies, chopped tomato, chopped cucumber, chopped coriander and lemon, and boiled corn. First of all, take a bowl and add 2 cups of boiled corn. Add chopped onions and chilies. Add chopped tomato. Add chopped cucumber. Now add salt according to your taste. Squeeze half of the lemon. Add chopped coriander. Now mix all the ingredients properly and serve it. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe the video, and do comment what kind of recipes you wanna watch. Thank you.